This tutorial will teach you how to install the 1TouchIQ2 Audit Trail Kit driver. First, insert the 1TouchIQ2 Audit Trail CD into the CD-ROM drive. Next, plug in the Audit Trail Kit's USB cable into one of your computer's USB ports. In a few moments, Windows will notify you that it has found the new hardware. This notification will depend on the version of Windows that you're running. Look at the system tray for an indication that the new hardware has been found. Once found, we will need to open Windows Control Panel. Click on Start, Control Panel, and choose the Hardware and Sound icon. Look for and click on the Device Manager link. Look in the list of devices for the CP2102 USB to UART bridge controller. Double-click on the listing to display its properties. Choose Update Driver. Click Browse on my computer for driver software. Click the Browse button, then choose your CD-ROM drive from the list. With the drive expanded, choose the USB Drivers folder. Click on the OK button, then Next to install the driver software. Once Windows has successfully installed the driver software, you can close out of all of the windows until you return to the Device Manager. Notice that the previous listing has now been replaced with Silicon Labs CP210X USB to UART bridge. Also, be sure to note the number that follows the COM in the parentheses. This is the number of the COM port, and we will need to know this when we are configuring the 1TouchIQ2 Audit Trail Kit software. This concludes the driver installation and this tutorial. You may now close any remaining windows until you return to the Windows desktop. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Please visit videos.fingerprintdoorlocks.com for more tutorials and information on the 1TouchIQ2.